Another example, like the day-to-day routines that we're going to... Okay, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe so that you become a part of my family. So today we are going to do a mindfulness meditation along with some affirmations. Now, if you're somebody who's already aware of what mindfulness is, you can completely skip this part and move on to the meditation part. I'll put the timestamp in the description box. Also, I'll place it somewhere on the screen for your convenience. So, what is mindfulness? So mindfulness is the ability to be fully present in the moment, like being aware of your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, and also being aware of where you are currently and what you're doing without any sort of judgment. For example, if I'm speaking to you guys right now, am I aware of my thoughts? Am I aware of my feelings right now? Or am I thinking about my past? Or am I thinking about my future? That is what mindfulness is, like being completely here right now, being in the moment. So another example is our everyday routine work. For example, brushing your teeth, having your breakfast, taking a shower, or making your bed. So are you completely present in the moment that you're performing these activities, or are you constantly thinking about your past or your future and you're not being present in the moment? So let's see what are the benefits of practicing mindfulness. So it increases your empathy and compassion, it improves your immune function, it helps in reducing your stress and anxiety, it helps in fighting blood pressure, also it improves your sleep. So after you practice mindfulness, there will be more self-acceptance, you'll be able to concentrate on things better, you'll be able to know yourself better, and most of the time you'll be very peaceful and very happy. Also, practicing mindfulness helps with law of attraction. Now what happens is, while you're practicing mindfulness, you're very aware of your thoughts, feelings and emotions. And if most of the time they're happy, they're good, if you're feeling happy and good about your thoughts, feelings and emotions, what happens is you are directly or indirectly sending a message to the universe that I'm ready to receive now. And you will get those things very easily in your life at that very point of time, because you're very peaceful and you're very present in the moment and there is no resistance from your side. So on the other hand, if you're constantly worried, if you're very anxious, if you're very fearful about your past or your future, what happens is you are on a very lower vibration. You're not enjoying currently, you're not peaceful with where you are currently, and that is when your manifestations will either come very late, they will be delayed, or they will not come at all. So in order to manifest, you have to be practicing mindfulness. Welcome to the mindfulness meditation. So in this meditation, we are going to be focusing on 3 things: your relaxation, your breathing, and your awareness. Now find yourself a quiet and a comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down wherever you feel comfortable. Make sure the place and your position is very comfortable. Now we are going to take deep breaths. So slowly and gently take a deep breath in. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release through your mouth. Relax your body. Make sure with every breath your body and mind feels lighter and lighter. Take a deep breath again. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release through your mouth. Focus on your breath completely. Notice if you have any thoughts at this point of time, any worry, any fear or anxiety. Observe everything without any judgment. Remember, the purpose is not to push your thoughts away, but to witness them peacefully. Now take a deep breath again. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Relax your body and feel your breath. For the 4th time, take a deep breath again. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Remember, you can always start this meditation again if you feel overwhelmed by your thoughts. Now imagine a white light at the top of your head. Allow the light to slowly scan down your body, becoming aware of all the areas that it passes through. Feel the warm, peaceful white light going through your head, to your face. Slowly and gently feel the light moving down to your neck, to your shoulders. Feel relaxed. Notice any tension in these areas and release it while you exhale. So take a deep breath in. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release all the tension. Once more, take a deep breath in. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Now imagine the white light then moving down your back, slowly to your chest, relaxing every area that it passes through. Feel the light moving down to your arms, to your stomach, gently to your hips, slowly down to your thighs, your knees, your calves, and gently to your toes. Now notice any tension in these areas and release with the next exhale. So take a deep breath in. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and slowly and gently release. Now I'll say a few affirmations. Every affirmation is going to be repeated twice. So make sure you feel the affirmations and let them soak in your heart. If you want, you can keep your hands on your heart so that you can feel the energy while we do this. Let's start. I release doubt and welcome faith. I release doubt and welcome faith. I am enjoying the present moment. I am enjoying the present moment. I take things one step at a time. I take things one step at a time. I choose to live in the moment. I choose to live in the moment. I let go of the painful past. I let go of the painful past. I let the present determine my future. I let the present determine my future. I choose to live and love right now. I choose to live and love right now. I am practicing living in the now. I am practicing living in the now. I choose to be happy and complete right now. I choose to be happy and complete right now. And I'm thankful for all that I have and all I will accomplish. I'm thankful for all that I have and all I'll accomplish. Now for one last time, take a deep breath in, hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Make sure you smile right now. Think about one thing or that one person that makes you smile. Now gently rub your palms together and place it onto your eyes. Very, very gently open your eyes, feeling happy and complete in the moment. Remember, you can practice this meditation every day, anytime that you feel comfortable. If you enjoyed this meditation, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye and I love you.